you may say, Michelle, you may say, hey, Anthony, I want to set up the cash offer program. I'm like, okay, first 90 days, let's get that set up. Ms. Hall may say, hey, I want to set up where I get automated, text, the automated campaign for the funnels. And I'm like, okay, let's get that set up. And then the second 90-day, we're going to make sure you have at least 3 pillars in your business, because you need 3 pillars in your business to make 6 figures or more. And we're not talking about $100,000, like that's chump change. We're talking about $250,000 or more for you guys that want that, right? To put 3 pillars into your business. What's a pillar? One pillar might be the cash offer program. A second pillar might be where you have an automated lead gen program. A third pillar might be where you have an automated system to contact your past clients and turn them into lifetime clients. Eventually, our goal is to get you to 7 legs, because it's 7 legs, it's a 7-figure business. You guys understand that? So don't worry so much about the how, because don't worry about that. We already got the how figured out. I'm showing you the how right here, right? Here's the how right here, right? And everything that we train you on, we have a step-by-step process on how to do it. This is a program I sell online for $10,000 to real estate agents, and you get it for free. It's step-by-step, walks you through what you need, step-by-step, what to say, the documents, every single thing that you need, and you get this free of charge. This is just working with buyers. I mean, working with sellers. I mean, it's all here. You don't have to worry about what to say or how to do it. Don't worry about how. What you have to say is, if you're serious about growing your business, then you're working with people that can help you grow your business. That's what Pro was so excited for me to meet with you guys. How to become a high 6-figure listing agent. Like, come on. Like this, we make 7.5% on a listing, guys. 7.5% for decades, $1 million houses, every single price point. This is the how for you right here. Step-by-step process on what to do from the time you arrive at a listing appointment to the time you leave, presentation you need, all the different ways to get listings. I'm doing a presentation in Norcross for a big brokerage Tuesday, and I'm teaching them this listing piece right here. That's what I'm doing Tuesday at 12 o'clock in Norcross, a big brokerage over there called Pure One, right? So the how is already done for you. What you have to decide is, when you come on board for $2.83 a day, you get to work with smart people, a whole bunch of smart people, to help you grow your business and give you everything you need. Not just give it to you, like walk you through it, making sure, checking in with you. All right, Juanita's perfect at that. Are you good? Are you good? You got it? Okay, let's test it. Is it working? Blah, blah, blah. Everything's working. It's not, here you go, figure it out. Like, no, we don't work that way. We're like, let's just 90 days, let's get these different systems set up for you. And within 9 months, you have a high 6-figure business making $250,000 or more. That's the opportunity that you guys have. So don't worry about the training. And I mean, I just showed you, saw here. Like, I can take a real estate agent with no experience and put $150,000 in their pocket. I've done it a million times. That's not the problem. My problem is finding agents that'll follow the process and just let us help. Right? The reason.
Can I ask you?
Yes, you can. Go
ahead. So for the SkySlope software,
yes.
How much would you have to actually pay per
$0
month to have that?
It's included. It's $0. There's no other fees at EXP except your $105 a month. No other fee. You have nothing to pay for. Nothing. Even
the leads, nothing.
If you want to get a separate lead gen program, yes, you'll pay for your leads.
The one about making it rain.
Yes, you can. That's $250 a month, but you don't have to use Making It Rain. I could help you set up your own lead generation program for $10 a day. I just helped a lady in Detroit for 30 days. I flew up to Detroit. She's brand new at EXP, brand new real estate agent. And in 30 days, I got her 100 leads. Got her in her price point up there, 275 to 325. That's her price point. And she got 100 leads in 30 days. About to close 10 transactions. Never been in real estate, no experience in real estate, no nothing. All I did was give her, she started attending, she joined EXP because she had saw what we were doing.